Today's approach to country decor means having the best of warm, traditional textures and colors mixed with modern design features. The contrast and combination can be incredibly beautiful, and nobody knows how to combine farmhouse style with contemporary design like the flooring experts at Flooring Direct. That's because a great way to get that country feel is with a stunning floor. Some of today's most popular options include rough sawn texture. Until just recently, the only place you could see rough sawn wood was at your local lumber yard or on the side of an old barn. Today, this unique look is available in everything from the most expensive solid hardwood floors to very affordable luxury vinyl plank flooring. High contrast color variation. A few years ago, only the bravest designers started salvaging old, worn, and weathered boards, complete with rusty nail holes and faded stain. Fast forward to today, and a similar approach has made its way to the most popular trend in flooring. Impeccably dressed with the distressed look. It used to be that only homeowners who allowed a house full of teenagers and farm animals to trample across their floors were left with the kind of distressed look that's so popular today. The difference is that today, a distressed look floor can be a tremendous complement to a contemporary design. So if you're ready for a beautiful modern farmhouse look no further than flooringdirectdfw.com. Livestock not included.